Thank you so much for watching my video. Today has been a really busy day for me, doing a lot of packing, going to bed late at night and getting up early to continue with packing. So getting a lot done today. I have lots of plants and I will be giving several of them away to my sons and taking my favorite plants with me. All of them are my favorite plants, but taking most of my plants with me. Hi, it's been a couple of days since the last time I picked up my camera. I am preparing to move in the next couple of weeks, so I have gotten a lot done in regards to packing. You don't realize how much stuff you have accumulated over the years until it's time to move. But anyway, I am ending this vlog with packing 7 Etsy orders. I have 7 Etsy orders to pack and get shipped out to my customers. So I want to thank you all for watching this video. Leave me a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel so you will not miss my next upcoming video. I am going to do a nettle hair mask treatment as well as a mini twist. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.
Touch from the wall.